Describe your area.
What's your bedroom like?
Blue and yellow, white and green. Messy, tidy, dirty, clean. Tiny, spacious, big bookshelf. Share with siblings, just yourself.
What's your house like?
Apartment on the 15th floor, less than 7 bedrooms more. Bungalow or mobile home, cottage or
What's your neighbourhood like?
terraced houses to the style, neighbours noisy and hostile. Next door's children round for tea, a feeling of community.
Do you live in a hamlet, a village, a town, a city, a metropolis? What's it like there? What's your country like? Do you have a bay or a bayou, a brook or a bog, a moat or a marsh, a mere or a mangrove swamp? Are you situated by the sea or over the ocean? Do you have cliffs or canyons, valleys or volcanoes? What's your continent like? Is your country generally friendly with your neighbouring countries? Do you have sporting events for your continent? Do you trade with neighbouring countries? What brings the countries in your continent together? What's our planet like? Describe our solar system.